one of the barriers for entry for me was not just the equipment and putting it all together, but then just having a sense of what's good, what's not good. I didn't want to spend all my time trying to figure out what was good information, what was not good information, and there's a wide disparity of these things. And I liked the format that you produced for this, which was a turnkey process with a whole kit, which is phenomenal and works great and was easy to set up and did it in less than an hour. But then having the community to sort of commiserate together, be all at the same point of starting out. We're all a community of people that are in the same boat, sort of getting our feet wet at the same time, and this sort of Toastmasters community for video where we really don't have to be bashful with each other because there's no one that's, this really great content influencer that you just feel like you're not living up to, kind of thing, right? So that's what I really liked about what you're producing. Besides, and I like you, you're a great personality, your compass points north. It was just a good fit.